So, as 2025 is going to be Eli Tomac's last full season, but he says it's not going to be a farewell tour. It's not going to be the, hey guys, I signed on for another year. I'm going to roll around in 15th and just wave the crowd in every stadium, which is kind of good. I'm happy about that. During the Super Motocross preview show, he said, quote, "That's what's in my head, that I can still be that guy, still be the top guy, battling with Jet Lawrence and Chase Sexton. There's no way I would have signed up for 2025 for just a farewell tour. I still feel I can be there. I'm not chasing a specific championship now. I'm just chasing that checkered flag." Now, let's see here. In all of his career, he has 52 career wins, so that's second all time. He's never going to beat the record because that's 72. Can't do that this year. He has 101 career podiums, putting him third all time. And if he gets a win this year, just one, he will break the record that he's tied with James Stewart at the moment, and he will have 11 straight seasons with a win. Obviously at the moment that's at 10. I mean, that's pretty impressive to think 10 straight years he's been good enough to win through, the Dungy era all the way up to now the Jet Lawrence era. Like, he's been around for a very long time and been competitive for a very, very long time. Obviously, he probably could. I'm going to say this. Probably should have knocked, another title or a supercross title if he didn't have the blowout of his Achilles in 2023, which he also said, quote, if I would have won in supercross in 2023, I may already be done. That was what we were all thinking. Like, last year was a pretty good, pretty competitive comeback year, but if he had won that title in 23, it might have been the, right off into the sunset as a champion and be done with it. And obviously this year he's gotten the WSX title, which, you can kind of count it as it is. It's kind of a cool little asterisk add-on. Like, yeah, I remember that thing. I got that title too. Um, I don't know. I'm excited about this. Obviously, you want to see the best guys on the best bikes all racing against each other, and this is going to be a good year. Obviously, he's at the twilight of his career. You got Jet Lawrence, at the prime. You still have Jason Anderson. You got Chase Sexton right up there too. Webb, Roxon. You have a lot of people. What's his name? Prado coming over this year. It's going to be a packed pack. If that makes any sense. It's going to be a packed whole starting gate of big names, fast guys, competitive guys. 1 through 10 is going to be just brutal this year. Getting on the podium is going to be, you know, if you get there and if you start getting on the podium, you start getting wins, it's going to be really impressive this year with how fast and just competitive this whole group of guys is. And it does suck, that it's going to be his last fully competitive year. I mean, I'm assuming he'll probably do, supercross only or whatever it's going to be, for a year or two after this. I doubt he's just going to say, this is my year, I'm done. But it just sucks. There's going to be so many people retiring soon. Roxon, him, Anderson, Webb, all that, that group, that generation of riders is going to be all retiring very quickly. So it's cool to see that we get him for another year, at least in full competitive mode. Beyond that, who knows what's going to happen. I'm excited. I mean, I can't wait for this year to start. This whole no racing break sucks. What are we, like 10-ish days or something like that from A1? So I don't know. That's where I'm leaving you guys. You happy that he's back? Who do you think going to win A1? What do you think about Prado coming over? Do you think Jet Lawrence is just going to be super dominant this year and it's not going to be any fun? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.